About me learning Reo Tahiti. One of the recommendations that I have that has been very helpful for me, and that is simply from listening for many hours with repetition of the same video clips. As you will see very quickly, I'm a beginner. However, I have had the opportunity to learn different languages, Euskera, which is spoken in the Basque Country, and is a very interesting language that I love to practice and continue to learn. And you'll see here on this area of my social media that I'm learning Reo Tahiti. So I recommend the sites that I've tagged here, and you can listen to Reo Tahiti over and over again, become familiar with it, and as you go to study the language like I am, you will be able to identify the sounds. That's all I have for you in this video, and I look forward to making another one, hopefully today, about the pronunciation